In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart to create a concept map for your research. Whether you're organizing your thoughts, laying out a project plan, or structuring your research findings, a concept map can be a powerful tool to visualize and connect your ideas. Lucidchart is a popular online platform that facilitates the creation of detailed diagrams and maps powered by intelligent tools to enhance your workflow. Let's dive right in and get started. Firstly, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart website. If you haven't already done so, bookmark this page for quick access in the future. Once you're on the site, you'll see the login option typically positioned at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this to proceed. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type it in carefully to avoid any login issues. Once your email is entered correctly, hit the next button. This will advance you to the next step where you'll input your password. As always, ensure your password is entered securely and without errors. With that done, click on Login to access your Lucidchart dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the main menu and look for the Documents section. This is where you can manage all of your files and projects. Once you're there, click on New, which opens a variety of creation options, and select Lucidchart from the list. This starts you off on a fresh diagram. To streamline your process, we'd suggest using a template. So go ahead and click on Create from Template. A search bar will appear. You'll want to type in Concept Map to filter the templates available. After the search results load, browse through them and click on a chart template that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template. The template will now open in the editor and you can start customizing it to suit your research needs. One of the great features of Lucidchart is the ability to label and modify each portion of your concept map. Now's your chance to add labels and adjust the layout to accurately represent your ideas and information flow. Remember, a concept map is most effective when it clearly illustrates relationships between different concepts in your research, so take your time to ensure everything is aligned as per your objectives. And just like that, you have successfully created a concept map using Lucidchart. Thank you for joining me today and